Your original hometown dealer, Saida, Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
If I were to loan you a gun to shoot on a non-sanctioned range, I would have to have you get a background check first, or that would make me a felon.
So if you were going out shooting with relatives or friends, everybody would have to have a background check?
Yes, if you're going to allow them to use your firearm on a non-sanctioned range. And if you were going to not only allow them to use it, but if you were going to give them a firearm and they weren't within the first couple of degrees of continuity, then you would have to have them have a background check before you could give them a firearm or sell a firearm to them.
It's difficult to enforce, right?
Well, it would be difficult to enforce it. It's almost a snitch law. I mean, someone would have to tell you that it was going on. But the law did pass, and so now we have to figure out how that implementation is going to happen. The Attorney General began trying to implement this law, and he was unable to do that because the federal government doesn't want to support, or didn't want to support, that many background checks going through their particular organization.
Because legitimately, you have to enforce this. If people are loaning weapons at an unsanctioned range, there has to be enforcement there, right? So would they want it rewritten? What are they looking at now? Do you know?
No, I really don't. I think it's still up in the air how it's going to be implemented. But it doesn't happen just at a range. If I wanted to go out in the desert and go plunk, 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 and I handed you a firearm, if you weren't immediately related to me, I can't do that unless you have a background check.
Right now, Adam Laxalt said he's not going to be enforcing it. Nye County Sheriff's Office won't be enforcing it until something is actually decided.
Oh, we won't be enforcing it until the governor comes out with something and Laxalt has an implementation plan.
You were against the question one, right?
Absolutely.